Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester and today I'm talking to you about SHIB. We're going to be breaking down Shiba Inu, okay, from a fundamental perspective, a technical analysis perspective, and then we're going to be looking at a SHIB-based project that I think has got pretty strong 100x potential right out of the gate. It's a very successful pre-sale that's just about to end, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into the Shiba Inu update. If you could leave a little like on the video, it would help us out tremendously. And also let me know your thoughts on the video and also Shiba Inu, whether you're buying it, selling it, what are you doing with this asset? So currently Shiba Inu is currently trading at $8.2 billion market cap, okay, with around $230 million daily trading volume. That's quite bullish to have that much trading volume, and as you can see, we have seen a big spike in the trading volume over the last 24-hour period. Now, what does that tell us? It tells us more people are getting involved with SHIB, trading SHIB, and we actually just flipped green. Good and love to see it. And this is usually a bullish sign when we see volume increase for an asset of this caliber, okay? So over the last day, 0.09% to the upside here, as we have seen directly filming this video. It's fluctuating right now, but we are pretty much sat on this green and red break-even zone right now for the daily price. Now, in terms of SHIB, where it is in terms of the ranking, right now, currently sat 13th below Avalanche. You can see there is around $300 million between them, $320 million between them, and yeah, the race is on for that 12th position here. In terms of meme coins that are near it right now, I mean, you've got Doge, and then to the lower side, you've got Pepe, but Pepe is not even half of the market cap of SHIB right now. So you SHIB army there, you've got nothing to worry about. You're likely to hold your position in the meme race, to say the least, okay? So I really wouldn't worry about Pepe just yet, okay? Just yet. You might have to worry about it in the alt season, but right now it seems to be doing quite well in terms of holding its second place in the meme sort of leaderboard here. Let's move on to the Shiba Inu chart here, because we discussed this briefly last week, but I just want to reiterate to you guys here that we're actually in a very, very important place here for this asset. We have seen multiple tests to the downside, okay? Testing clear levels of support and also testing the daily volume weighted ATR band a lot, okay? It is still in a digressionary stance. You can see it slowly curling over. When this curls over and gets progression rate, if we're still above it in terms of price action, that's when we will see some really, really nice moves to the upside for this asset, okay? And then the next point I'm really, really looking out for here for SHIB is to get another candle to close above the daily, of course, to hold this as a level of support around 1286, because as you can see from a trend line perspective, this needs to hold, okay, which we are currently sat in this little pocket here. And also you can see the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement area there as well, guys, and that's obviously a very pinnacle point for a move to the upside from this zone, okay? So there's many things here that we need to be looking out for here when trading this asset, but right now it isn't actually looking too bad. All right, if the markets do start to decline and we do see a bit of a dump, then there's no harm in actually shorting this asset from this level of support down to the 4-hour or even down to the 12-hour. That's absolutely fine as well. There's profit to be made there. You can see 8% to the downside, 15% to the downside, and even if we were just to bang in a little long here from the daily volume weighted ATR band up to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, it's going to be around 11.17% there, so still pretty good overall from a trading perspective for this asset, okay? Let me know what you guys think of, one, that TA, two, Shiba Inu in general, whether you're buying it, selling it, what are you doing, and I'll get back to you in the comments. Looking at momentum here on the daily, it is pretty overextended right now, I'd say. We are seeing this all the way. We saw the low get created basically on the 6th of August here. And we have seen a bit of a buyback, as we have seen from the stochastic here coming right up to this zone. But money flow right now is still pretty heavily in the negative here. As you can see, there's all these little red dots here, guys, pretty heavily in the negative. And that basically shows us that money is still technically flowing out of the asset on the macro, which is bearish, unfortunately. And that's why I did tell you guys about that little potential short position we could be getting involved with there. All right, so the next point that I would be using as a point of reference here would be if the stochastic was to come up to these highs here, guys, and you can see it clearly is creeping up right now, then there is going to be potential for some sort of reversal coming through. And if that does happen, it will basically mean that we do have a nice little pocket here that we can essentially be capitalizing on, okay? And that's going to be, in terms of a price, let's have a little look on the chart. So that could be basically coming up very quickly, very sharply to the Fibonacci retracement of 0.618, and then basically playing on that resistance to the downside, okay? Which will be around an 8% move to the upside and then a 7% move to the downside. So definitely something to really be looking out for there, as a lot of confluences are lining up for that sort of a price prediction there for lovely Shiba Inu. Now moving on to the Shiba Inu based meme project that I bought a lovely bag of. Very excited for this, and it's basically Base Dog, so Top Gun theme meme coin. It's including a lot of other meme sort of projects in there as well. Maybe they're created by the same person, who knows? And you can see here they have actually raised $2.8 million. Okay, and what Base Dogs is essentially one of the first multi-chain assets, okay? Multiple blockchains ensuring you can soar through the decentralized world without limits, okay? And that basically means, guys, you're going to be able to trade dogs on Ethereum, Solana, BSC, and AVAX, okay? Using and leveraging technology like Wormhole and Portal, okay? It's a multi-chain experience meme coin, which is pretty unique to say the least, okay? So definitely something that I think has got huge potential, and being Shiba Inu sort of themed and on base, and we know how successful base chain is with obviously the big dog Brett getting involved there. You can see this guy jumping down. It's pretty good, okay? It's pretty good. I do think there is definitely legs here for us to be capitalizing on, and they've really nailed it from the memeability standpoint here. Very, very cool. Not going to go into too much detail on this project right now, but it's definitely something I think you guys should check out. And if you are looking for lovely juicy airdrops, you can go get that as well over on the website coming soon. You will just have to basically keep an eye on that, and they're going to be given back to their community. But yeah, that is going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could drop a little like on the video, it would help us out tremendously. And again, let me know in the comment section what you think and whether you're getting involved with this asset like I am, because I definitely think there is a lovely 100x potential here from the gate. You can see how low price this is right now with a $2.8 million raise. This thing's going to fly, man. This thing's going to absolutely moon, okay? But yeah, that's going to be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.